students, right? We have already started with chapter number 2, and we have completed in the previous class like what various nutrients do in our body. Okay, we have already covered like what does proteins do, what does carbohydrate do, what does fat do, and what does vitamins do in our body. The next nutrient that we are going to discuss is minerals, right? Okay, what does why do we require minerals? Okay, so the very main reason why we require minerals is it helps in proper growth of our body, and along with that it also helps in maintaining the health. Okay, maintains good health, maintains good health, right? So these are the reason why minerals are necessary. Although minerals are required in very small quantity, required in very small quantity, but are necessary. Okay, although they are required in small quantity, but they are necessary for our body, right? So what are the various nutrients, various minerals that are required by our body? So the main minerals are iron, right? Iodine, right? Phosphorus and calcium. These are the main minerals that are required by our body. Okay, so let us discuss from which or what all food do we get these minerals, right? If you talk about iron, right, so we generally get iron from green leafy vegetables, right? Apple, and along with that liver, right? So we get it from vegetable, apple, beetroot, right, and liver as well. From where do we get iodine? Okay, how or what are the food sources that from which we get iodine? The very good source is salt, right? You must have seen in the advertisement as well, right? टाटा का नमक आता है, iodinized salt, right? So why? Because iodine plays a very important role. Why? अगर तुम्हारी डाइट में आयोडीन नहीं होगा, ओके, इफ इन योर डाइट if there is iodine is absent, okay, so disease named goiter will be caused. Okay, goiter नाम की एक disease है, वो होती है, बीमारी है, right? So iodine is necessary in the diet, right? So from where do we get iodine? So a reason from salt, right? Again we get it from green vegetables, right? Then we get it from fish, right? Crabs, etc., right? Means moreover we can say seafood, because we so get it from salt also from the sea only. Phosphorus, from where do we get phosphorus? So we get phosphorus from milk, banana, rice and wheat. So these are the main sources from where we get phosphorus, right? And we generally eat most of the things, right? So we don't face any problem with respect to the deficiency of such minerals. About calcium, the main source of calcium is eggs and milk, right? These are the sources from which we get various minerals, or how we fulfill our mineral requirement in our diet. So mostly in our diet we generally eat such things, so we generally don't face a problem of deficiency of such minerals, right? So we have covered like what do various nutrients do in our body, right? So here we complete the topic, but here I would like to add, like, there are many food that might contain more than one nutrient, right? Say for example rice. So rice contains carbohydrates, that is what, starch, that we have already performed the experiment of present of test for starch. And along with that, you have seen rice is also a source of phosphorus, right? But we generally say a rice as a source of carbohydrate. Why? Because the amount of carbohydrate present in rice is more. Understood? The amount of carbohydrate that is present in rice is more. So we say that the rich source of carbohydrate is rice. So ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर एक फूड है तो उसके अंदर एक ही टाइप का न्यूट्रिएंट होगा. इट कैन बी हैविंग मोर देन वन टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट, बट वी जनरली स्टडी इन ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट. वाई? बिकॉज जो सबसे ज़्यादा अमाउंट में होगा उसमें हम किसको गिन रहे हैं, राइट? सो द अनदर type of nutrient that is, we can say, is roughage, right? The another kind of nutrient that we are going to discuss is roughage or dietary fibers. Is roughage or dietary fibers. Okay, now what are these? So these are the food, okay, which do not provide any nutrient. Yes, heard correct. It does not provide any nutrient. What does it do not provide any? Do not provide any nutrient, right? So what does it do? Right? What does it do? It adds bulk to the food, right? Adds bulk to the food. Now you will know what is bulk. Bulk means हम खाना खाते हैं, right? तो खाने में ऐसा फूड खाएंगे जिसके हम थोड़ा खाने से हमको लगा कि हमारा पेट भर गया है, right? So that is called bulk. That is called, we say it as add bulk to the food. Okay, so that overeating ना हो जाए. Okay, so इसके अलावा बस यही काम है? No, the main reason why we eat, why the roughage or dietary fiber is necessary, the main reason is it helps in getting rid of undigested food. Yes, getting rid मतलब जो हमने खाना खाया है, digestion हो गया. Now whole whatever food that we have eaten, it does not get digested completely. Some amount of food remains undigested, right? So it helps in removing or helps in getting rid from undigested, right? Means you must have heard many times, like, people are facing problem that their stomach and their intestine, they are not getting cleaned. मतलब क्या है, उनको constipation problem होता है, right? Constipation problem means कब्जियत का problem, right? उनका पेट रेगुलरली साफ नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं होता? बिकॉज इन देयर डाइट the dietary fiber or roughage is absent or is present in very small quantity. So due to on having such kind of food which contains dietary fibers, okay, will help you in cleaning the digestive tract, right? So that the process of digestion and absorption takes place smoothly. Now what all food contains dietary fibers? So generally the food like, what all it contains? Generally a food like whole grains, food like whole grains, pulses, right? Then you can say potato, right? And many other food and many other, like you can say fresh fruits and vegetables also, you can say, okay, fresh fruits and vegetables, right? So these all are the sources from which we get dietary fiber, right? Okay, the next topic that we are going to discuss is about the water. Okay, what we are going to discuss, we are discuss about the water. How is water helpful for our body or why it is necessary for our body. Okay, water की ज़रूरत क्या है हमारी बॉडी में. Okay, so that is what we are going to discuss. So water generally, how do we take water? हमारी बॉडी में वाटर कैसे आता है? हमारी बॉडी में वाटर कैसे आता है? सो वाटर वी गेट इट बाय ड्रिंकिंग. ओके, बाय ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और यू कैन से टी और मिल्क, राइट. ये हम कंज्यूम करेंगे तो हमारे बॉडी में क्या आएगा? वाटर आएगा. अलॉन्ग विद दैट, while cooking the food we add water, right? जैसे राइस बॉईल कर रहे हो, so you boil rice in water, so what happens? Indirectly water gets, so indirectly in rice the water gets added up. Along with that, when we prepare curries, right, when we prepare sabji roti, right, sabji roti, in that also we add water. So how, what are the second way that is we are getting water? By we use it in कुकिंग द फूड, राइट. हम खाना पकाते हैं तभी भी हम क्या करते हैं? वी एड वाटर. एंड द थर्ड इज वेरियस फ्रूट्स लाइक वी आर ईटिंग, से फॉर एग्जांपल आमला, लाइक ऑरेंज, टमाटो. व्हेन यू कट इट यू विल सी योर हैंड्स गेट वेट. वेट क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज देयर इज वाटर प्रेजेंट इन सच फूड. ओके, सो certain fruit contains water. Okay, like you can say orange, right? Watermelon, etc., right? So certain fruits are there where water is also present in those fruits. So this is how consuming indirectly or directly we get water in our body. Now what is the requirement? Why it is required? Why is water required by our body? Okay, why it is required by our body? So function. So the very first reason is water helps in the absorption of nutrient from the food. खाने में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन, फैट्स, उनके एब्जॉर्प्शन में वाटर काम आता है, राइट. सो वी कैन से वाटर हेल्प्स अवर बॉडी टू एब्जॉर्ब न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम food that we have taken, right? What the food that we have ate. Second, what it helps? Okay, you must have seen like in urination we don't only excrete water, but along with that various salt are also excreted. During sweat formation also, what various salt, excess amount of salt, unnecessary salts are also excreted. So the other reason why water it is we are taking is it helps in throwing out some waste from body as urine and sweat, right? So it helps in throwing out various waste, like waste कौन से आएगा? Salts आएंगे generally, right? It helps in removing such things. So these are what beneficial or advantage of taking water in our diet, right? In the next class we will be discussing about the balanced diet, and in case if you are not following balanced diet, so certain deficiency will be there, or nutritional deficiency will be there, due to which various disease will be caused, which is known as deficiency disease. That we will be discussing in the next class, right? I hope you have understood whatever we have discussed today, right? Thank you, class.